Do you know the immense benefits that come with drinking watermelon juice? It's a refreshing and nutritious beverage that's often overlooked, but it's high time we start appreciating this ruby red wonder. Firstly, watermelon juice is a hydration powerhouse. With watermelon comprising about 92% water, it's a delicious way to quench your thirst and replenish your body's fluid levels. But it's not just about hydration. This fruity beverage is also packed with essential nutrients that your body craves. Let's delve into the nutritional profile of watermelon juice. It's rich in vitamins A and C, which are vital for skin health and immunity, respectively. Moreover, it's a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in heart health, nerve function, and muscle control. Now, let's talk about the weight management benefits of watermelon juice. With its high water content and low calorie count, it's a great addition to a balanced diet. It can help you feel full without loading you up with unnecessary calories. So, if you're looking for a refreshing, nutrient-packed beverage, watermelon juice should definitely be on your radar. It hydrates, nourishes, and even offers potential health protective benefits. To summarize, watermelon juice is a hydration hero, a nutritional powerhouse, a potential protector against certain health conditions, and a weight management ally. It's a flavorful way to support your overall health and well-being. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a watermelon and enjoy the wonderful benefits of its juice. Remember, the key to enjoying these benefits is consistency. So, make watermelon juice a regular part of your diet and watch as your body thanks you in its own little ways. Enjoy your journey to a healthier lifestyle with this delightful, naturally sweet beverage. Health never tasted so good.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest